A friend told me that when I did this tutorial, it wasn't clear because everything was just black on black. So let me redo it. I brought out the needle just on top right there to just assume that that's the top of the blouse. And then I picked 3 beads and I just put the beads on top to just let me know where the beads end, and then I just put the needle right there where the beads are supposed to end, and then I bring out the needle just beside the initial thread. I'm using green thread so that and white fabric so that you see clearly what I'm doing, and then I just pull this out like that. Yes, so this is it sitting down this way. So I'll pick another 3 beads and then I'll just put the needle in front of where the beads are supposed to be, which is right there. And then by the time I put it inside that way, yeah, I'll then have to bring out the needle just beside the other side and pull. So I'll keep doing that till I get to the end. So look at the dress again and let's see. So that's it right there. And then I just put my needle inside it and bring out the needle, pull the thread, and that's it. So I'll keep doing that. I had finished it right here, but I'll keep doing that till we get to the end. So that's how I did the neckline of this dress. So now let's go to the droplets on the body and these fringes right here. So I'm going to be picking the crystal beads and the droplets. Those are the two things we're going to be using. So I'll first of all, first thing you do is tie. So let me show you how to tie. When I was showing how to tie on the other side, it wasn't clear. So that's even the reason I picked a green thread and a white fabric. So did you see what I did? That's how to tie. So what you want to do the first time, you pinch the fabric a second time, you turn it, and then you just put your needle into it and pull. That's it. No matter what you do after tying like this, it's going nowhere. So I'll take 4 size 6 crystal beads right there, pick the hanger, put it inside, and just pull. Then I would skip the droplets and run my needle all the way through all the size 6 crystals, bring out the needle, and after bringing out the needle, I'll just pull it. Make sure you pull it tight so that thread is not hanging somewhere. Adjust it and just pull until everything goes off. So this right here is what it is. So next thing I'm going to do is to pick my needle and just plunge it on the same spot the needle came out from and drag it all the way to the back. So you can feel free to tie it at the back or do whatever. But this right here is how all the droplets on the body of the dress is, and that's exactly how I did the fringes on this dress as well. I hope it was clear this time. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in my next one. Bye.